on mic. Thank you. And, okay. Okay, let's talk now. Come on. Here I am, and I'm the man. The morning yesterday I spoke to you. Yet once again, I face the test. And yes, I need a hand to pull me through. Lord, I need your strength to face tomorrow. My life, no part of you. But times I've talked to my strength, never learned and realized it was me that had been led astray. Lord, I need the strength to face tomorrow. Years go passing by, it seems harder every time. Through another day, if you only is my mind. Lord, I need the strength to face tomorrow. Here I am, and I'm a mess. Only yesterday I spoke to you. Yet once again, I face the test. And yes, I need a hand to pull me through. Lord, I need the strength to face tomorrow. Strength to face tomorrow. Ano ba sa Tagal? Ano ba sa Chinese yung ano? This song is dedicated to my aunt and uncle. May regalo raw, makakasagot. Ha? Alam niyo na pala. Kahirapan natin. Itong kantang tong kay Chong kay Chan, no? Okay. May isa pang kanta. Alam mo, nasasabi kayo sa pangalawang kanta namin, ito, kanta namin, pero hindi sa amin. Ano? Binaya lang. Pero parang original na pirated.
Tawagin na po namin yung guitarist namin. Si Ka Willie po sa si Ka.
Okay.
Palakpakan naman po.
Wow! Maganda yung kaya. Ay, kami, si kami, hindi mo tayo. Kami, patiin mo naman si, siyempre patiin si Ka. Kain.
Yes,